Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. So we bought this 4-foot adjustable table from Amazon. When did we buy it?
About 4 days ago.
Yeah, 4 days ago, and so it arrived maybe 2 days ago or 3 days ago. It didn't take too long. So we're just going to unpack it so you guys can see how to assemble it and what it's like. We wanted to get something that was foldable so that we could just put it away because our house is small, and because we're now all working from home, my husband and I, we needed something that was convenient to just fold up and put away. Before, my husband and I would sometimes work on the dining table, so that wasn't the best. So we just needed something that was a good height for us. So we're going to unpack it, and probably before we unpack it, you'll see there the measurements. So it's about 61 centimeters wide and then 121.9 centimeters long, and then the height is adjustable. So yeah, and it's the brand Lifetime. Okay, let's get it open and see what it looks like. Okay, so it looks like it comes folded in half. Yep, it's folded in half, and we're just going to open it up. I guess all the parts are inside the box. Okay. Okay, there we go, and then you just open it up like that, and then the other leg. And then I think there's somewhere where we should lock. Okay, do that again. Yeah, so that just locks it so that it doesn't fold while you're using it. There we are. Okay. So that's what it looks like underneath. We're just trying to make sure that it's nice and steady. Okay, yeah, so you do need to kind of push it down. Okay, there you go. So there it will move up or down. And then we're going to do the other side. So he's just using his foot to kind of pull it down, as you can see, and then pulling it up, and then there you go. So this is how tall it is. So almost waist. That's the maximum height, I believe, up to your waist sort of. And then I guess if you want to adjust it downwards, you can. And that's literally it, guys. So it's a good little handy thing there. If you want a table, I'll put a link to the table in the description. So if you want to get a table of your own, you can. You see, that's how you adjust it down. And then he's going to do the other end. So he's just pressed. So how you do it is, you just press this little thing here. You press this thing here, and then you press the other side as well at the same time and pull it up or down. So that's pretty cool. And then you've seen how compact it is. So when you no longer need to use the table, It's just a case of folding it and putting it in under your bed in the storage behind the sofa, which is really, really useful. So, yep, I hope that was useful. Check out the description, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.